Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Due to my, uh, you know, busy days, I could not be continued with my lesson. Let us see the second part of the story that we saw in our last video. The no, the name of the story was Arus Said al Arab. Okay, so let us see what had happened after that. وَدَخَلَ أَوْس مَنْزِلَهُ. Then Aus entered into his home. فَدَعَا إِلَيْهِ كُبْرَى بَنَاتِهِ. Then he called his, you know, oldest, eldest daughter to come. All right, he called his eldest daughter. كُبْرَى بَنَاتِهِ means his eldest daughter. وقال لها, then he said his eldest daughter, يا بنيتي, oh my daughter, oh my little daughter, not little daughter, oh my eldest daughter. هذا الحارث بن عوف. This is Harith ibn Auf. Sayyid means Sadat al-Arab. He is one of the leaders of Arab. قد جاءني خاطبا. He came to me خاطبا, uh, with a propose to marry you. He came to me to marry you. خاطبا means he came with a propose. وقد رأيت, and I am thinking, or I thought, or I decided أن أزوجك, to marry you off minhu, to him. I want to marry you off to him. Okay. فما تقولين, what is your opinion? What do you think? Okay, tell me something about that. Okay, I want to, uh, you know, make you married to him. Okay. ففكرت لحظة. Then he thought for a while. لحظة means for a while, for a little time. فكر يفكر من باب التفعيل. Then she thought for a while, for a little time. ثم قالت, then she said, بالله, oh Allah. All right. She said that, for the God's sake, عليك لا تفعل. Please don't do that. عليك means you must not do that. لا تفعل means don't do that. When the word came عليك, that means she is pressurizing. She is emphasizing to not, you know, to not marry that person. Then she's saying, alayka, you must not do that, for the God's sake, for the sake of Allah, please don't do that. Okay, don't marry me off to him. Ya abi, oh my dad. فأنا لست جميلة, I'm not beautiful. فأنا لست جميلة, I'm not beautiful. وفي خلقي تسرع, and I have got, rush in my behavior. That means I do all the things very quickly, very fast. Okay, so my behavior is very quick, something like that. ولست بابنة عمه, and I'm not even his cousin. I'm not even his paternal cousin. That فيرعى, he will respect the relationship of being relative. وقرابتي, قرابة means, uh, uh, you know uh, relationship between relative. She's saying that please don't marry me off to him. I do not want to marry him. Please don't do that, oh my dad. Because فأنا لست جميلة, this is one of the reason. The second reason is ففي خلقي تسرع, and I'm very quick or very rush in my behavior. All right, I'm not soft. ولست, and third reason is ولست بابنة عمه, I'm not his cousin, that he will respect the relationship of being, uh, being my relative. He will not respect me. وليس, and another reason is وليس بجارك, he is not even your neighbor. Okay, وليس بجارك, he is not even your neighbor. في البلد, in the country or in your place. That فيستحي, he will feel shy to you, minka, from you. Okay, he will shy for you. um ولا آمن, and I am worried. ولا آمن means I'm afraid, or the meaning would be I'm worried, I'm afraid that, I'm worried that. The amanu, la amanu means here, I'm afraid, I'm worried. Okay. How wala amanu can be the meaning of I'm afraid. Suppose amanu means I believe. La amanu means I do not believe. This was supposed to be I don't believe, right? Naturally, the meaning should be I don't believe. But here the meaning would be I'm afraid or I'm worried. When you are worried when you don't believe something, right? So technically the meaning is I don't believe, but we need to pick up the best meaning, which would be I'm worried because I don't believe. So I'm worried that yajida fiya, he will find something in me. Yajida means Haris ibn Auf. He will find something fiya, or means in me. He will find something in me ma that lam yakun yurid, that he would not love, he would not want. Okay, maybe he will find some faults in me that he would not like. فَيُطَلِّقُنِي, then he will divorce me. Did you understand? So there are some reasons. فأنا لست جميلة فخلقي تسرع, لست بابنة عمه ليس بجارك في البلد ولا آمن, and I am afraid, I'm worried that he will find some faults. يجد فيا, he will find فيا in me ما لم يكن يريد, some things that he will not like, and finally he will, or eventually he will divorce me. Then she said, and what will happen after that? فَأَعِيشُ حَزِينَةً نَادِمَةً, and then I will be living uh, being sad, or being regretted forever. Okay. Then if he divorced me, then I'll be sad forever. I'll be regretting forever. فَأَجَابَهَا, then he answered, replied to his daughter, eldest daughter, Imdi, all right, you can go. Barakallah fik, may Allah bless you. Imdi means, okay, you can go. I understand what you said. وَدَعَا ابْنَتَهُ الْأُسْتَى, and after that, he called, or he summoned. Da'a has another meaning, SUMMONED, summoned or called. Then he called his middle daughter, فَأَجَابَتْ, then she also replied, Abi. She replied what? Abi, oh my dad. Innaka ta'lam, you know very well. Innaka ta'lam, you know, annani, that I am la uhsinu ma'rifat al-ashya. I don't know many things. Okay, I don't have knowledge of many things. La uhsinu means I'm not appropriate, I'm not excellent in knowing things. Okay, my knowledge is very low. Walastu bidhati san'ah tuhsinuha yada, and I'm neither I am good at hand skill. Walastu means I'm not. Bidhati صنع. صنع means making something. تحسنها, being excellent. بيدي. All right, I'm not skilled at any hand skill. Okay, I don't have any hand skill. I cannot make anything with my hand. So she said, ولا آمن, I'm afraid, again like this. ولا آمن. Here she said, ولا آمن, I'm afraid, I'm worried. أن يرى, he will see something minni, he will see something in me or from me, ma yakrahu, that he will hate, fayutalliquni. All right, so she said that la usinu ma'rifat al-ashya wa la stubidati sana'ah tuhsinuha yaday, I'm not good at hand skill. So he will okay, see some faults or see something that he will not like, and he will divorce me. فأجابها, then her father said, in Hadi, all right, you can also go. You can go up. Barakallahu fik, may Allah bless you. And finally, what had happened? Let us see. ودعا, then he called بابنته الصغرى, youngest daughter. He called his younger daughter. كان اسمها بوهيسة. Her name was بوهيسة. فقال لها, then he said, father said, ما قال له لأختيها, what he said to his other daughters. Okay, he said the same thing to his youngest sister, what he said to his other daughters. فأجابته, then she replied, أنت, you, وما رأيت, and what I I'm thinking, what I think. فأنا والله, for the God's sake, I am al-jamil. I'm really beautiful. Wajhan. Okay, my face is really beautiful. In appearance, I'm really, really pretty. Al-mahira yadan, and I'm very good at hand skill. Mahira means skilled. Okay. Yadan means hand. So my hand is I'm very good at hand skill. I have many hand skill. وَرَقِيقَ خُلُقًا, and my behavior is soft. Okay, I'm soft in behavior. Al-hasiba ahlan, and I am from a respected lineage. Ahlan means lineage or background. Okay, I'm from a respected background. Hasiba means respected. Ahlan means background or lineage. Lineage. فَإِنْ يُطَلِّقُنِي, if he divorce me, then she said, if he divorce me, فَلَا أَخْلَفَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ بِخَيْرٍ. Then she said, فَإِنْ يُطَلِّقُنِي, if he divorce me, فَلَا أَخْلَفَ اللَّهُ, Allah will not compensate him, or Allah will not give him, alayhi, to him, Allah will not give him better, بِخَيْرٍ, better than me. Okay, if he divorces me, may Allah not replace me with a better person for him. That means I'm very much good at everything. I'm beautiful. I have good hand skills. So if he anyhow, if he divorce me, فَلَا أَخْلَفَ اللَّهُ, Allah will not compensate him. Allah will not replace him. Allah will not replace me with a better wife than me. Okay. فقال, then he said, بارك الله عليك, may Allah bless you. هكذا, this is how, أنتظر منك, this is what I am waiting for you to hear. Okay, this is what I'm waiting for you to hear from you. All right. خرج إلى ضيوفه, then his father, that means Harith, uh, uh, وخرج إلى ضيوفه. um, okay, I've got facing some problem here. All right, let me see why it's not working. Wait. All right, here, where have we been? We have been here. خرج إلى ضيوفه, he headed to his guests. Okay, ليعلن, to tell them, to inform them. All right. إليهم, to them, what? موافقته, to inform his consent to them. Okay, then he headed to his guest. That means so who is the guest here? The guest is Haris ibn Auf and his cousin. Then her father went to the guest to liyu'lina, to let them know. A'lana yu'lim, to let them know. Ilayhim, to let them. Ilayhim, to them. To let them know, or to announce them. Muwafaqatahu, his consent, his agreement, his approval. All right. He said that, okay, I'm agree to marry my youngest daughter off to you. على زواج ابنته بهيسة. What is the name of the youngest daughter? Buhaisa means Sayyid al-Arab. Then he told them his consent, his agreement. He approved his propose of Haris ibn Auf. وأمسى, then Haris ibn Auf spent his day سعيدا بهذا النصر, with the big victory. بهذا النصر means with this victory. He spent the day very happily. سعيدا, أمسى means spent. وقضى, then he spent نهاره, his day. He spent his day as a guest. ضيفا, as a guest. على أوس bin حارثة. He spent his day as a guest at the house of Aus bin Haritha. Now it's time to get married. Inshallah ta'ala, in our next video, we are going to finish the story by finishing the third part. Inshallah ta'ala. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.